Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change gender on AOL Mail. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the AOL Mail app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Inbox, Home, Receipts, and Subscriptions. Now tap on Inbox, then on the top left corner, you're gonna find AOL icon. Tap on it. Now from there, select Manage Accounts. Now under Manage Accounts, select Account Info. Now under Info, you're gonna see Overview, Personal Info, Security, etc. Select Personal Info. Under Personal Info, you'll see options like Update Profile Photo and Update Personal Details. Tap on Update Personal Details. There you'll see categories like your name, preferred name, gender, and date of birth. Select the drop-down menu from the gender, then select your gender. From there, then tap on Save Updates, and guys, that's it. That's how you change your gender on AOL Mail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.